Fáilte, welcome to a week in the life of a Gaelic writer. This week it's all about drama, and I'm going to be talking in English in this video because the two dramas that I want to talk about are accessible to people who speak no Gaelic. They have both been written in such a way that you should understand what's going on. The first of these, the biggest of these, and the one that most people will have the opportunity to see, is a play called Scotties. Here's the playbill, a production by Theatr Gaelic, which is currently touring around Scotland, and it will be going over to Ireland at the beginning of October. I saw it in Glasgow on Friday and I was thoroughly impressed. It combines three languages, well, four I suppose: English, Scots, Irish and Scottish Gaelic. So it's a great linguistic mixture. And then on top of the languages there is music, both singing and instrumental music, and physical movement, the way the actors depict certain aspects of the drama. And it's been written to tell the story of a tragic event that happened 80 years ago when a group of migrant workers from Ireland were working in Kirkintilloch picking potatoes, and 10 of the young men, well, I say young men, some of them were just boys, the youngest was 13 I think, were killed in a bothy fire. But it's not just about that historical event, it's also about the impact that it has on a family in the present day living in Glasgow. I would thoroughly recommend it, but of course I would. Full disclosure, I'm a member of the board of Theatr Gaelic, so I'm bound to praise them and promote their work. But even if I were not, then I would recommend to people that they catch a date on the Scotties tour if they possibly can. It's going to various parts of Scotland. It's going to Stirling, Aberdeen, Inverness. It's coming to Edinburgh towards the end of September, and then it goes to Ireland. It goes to Achill Island, which is where the Tatty Howkers came from, which seems appropriate. It's a co-production with the Abbey Theatre, which is the National Theatre of Ireland, of course. I will put in the description field under this video a link to the Theatr Gaelic website so you can find out more about it, and from there you can click through to the various venues and buy tickets for the performance nearest to you. But hurry, because you don't want to miss out, and once the tour's over, it's over. So check that out now if you want to see a drama that combines all those languages and all the other artistic and dramatic elements of the story, all put together in a very beautiful and affecting way. It was very moving and thoroughly enjoyable. The second piece of drama is something that I have written, and there will be one performance of this next weekend, Saturday the 22nd of September, as part of Cuairt Mhór Gael, the Great Gaelic Walking Tour, which Corlin and Leorichin has organised in Glasgow. It starts at 1 p.m, Saturday 22nd September, at the Tall Ship in Partick, and the route is a little over a mile from there up to Kelvin Grove. There will be music and singing, there will be talks from various people, and then once we reach Kelvin Grove there will be my little drama. I'm not going to say too much about it at this stage, other than to say that it is, as the other parts of the tour are, about the history of the Gaels in Glasgow, and I think it's going to be fun. I really hope so. I've got two great actors who are going to be performing that. So this coming week I'll be working with them to get that ready for our public on Saturday. You can book that through the Gaelic Books Council's website. It's easy to order the tickets from Eventbrite, so I will put all the information and links that you need in the description field below this video, as with Scotties. And please do book a ticket. I have written this in such a way, just as Murren and Francis wrote their piece, which is a much more serious piece admittedly, in such a way that it shouldn't matter if you don't understand the languages. You should pick up enough in English to keep to keep you abreast of what's happening. I've tried to do something similar with my piece, so that there should be enough Gaelic and enough English. And if you don't understand the one, then you'll understand enough of the other to see what's happening. If the idea of walking that distance troubles you, apparently there are rickshaws. I quite fancy a rickshaw ride actually, but I think I should probably just walk. So yes, anyone who may find it difficult to walk the route will be transported at walking pace or thereabouts, so that they can keep up with the rest of the tour. So that's next weekend, and if you want to know more about that, you can get in touch with people at the Gaelic Books Council, or you can get in touch with me, and I hope to see some of you there. Meanwhile, all the folk from Scotties will be off on their tour around the Highlands, so they will not be there, alas. It's strange, isn't it, how you wait. It's like waiting for a bus. You wait for a Gaelic drama to come along and then suddenly it's all happening at once. But anyway, that gives people plenty to choose from. So come and see Cuairt Mhór na Gael, go and see Scotties, go and see Gaelic drama whenever you can, because there's little enough of it, and we would always love to know what people think. We need feedback from the audience, because that's why we do it. So that's what I've been up to the past couple of days, and it's what I'll be up to over the next week. I will be looking forward to seeing some of you in Glasgow next weekend. Agus gus an ocean, mar sin